So again, if I were looking at 29, I'd say this looks just like, it's not, but it looks very similar to it. And this is a problem that sometimes things that say, didn't I do that? It does look awful similar. The first thing I do is just get rid of the complex fraction by multiplying top and bottom by x. What are you going to get? 1 minus x. On bottom, what do you get? Well, I'm multiplying the bottom by x too, and you get this over here, x minus 1 dx. Then looking at this thing, so what would you do with this thing? You could split into two integrations. I'm not saying you can't. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just look at it, and I'm going to make a substitution, or at least try to. And I don't like that root in the bottom, so I'm going to put this over here. The next thing I'm going to do is square both sides. And what do you get there? You get x minus 1. So u squared plus 1 would equal x. So let me write this down. So 2u du is dx. And I think I'm ready to write this down with the hope it's going to work out for me. All right? I really do hope it's going to work out. So what do you get over here? Let's write this down. So it's 1 minus x. Well, x is u squared plus 1. So 1 minus u squared minus 1 is going to be minus u squared. That's done. So it says, what you just do? I just did this. Let's go to the bottom. I'm going to put the x down. What's the x going to be? It's u squared plus 1. And then I get the root of x minus 1, which is just u. Now, what's the dx equal to? Oh, it's 2u du. Let's go back and, kind of simplify this thing if I can. I'm going to pull out a minus 2. And then I'm looking at this u, and I get, let's see, u squared. And on bottom, I just get u squared plus 1. How's it gotten easier? Yeah, it's gotten easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a long division. Again, if you're quick at this, please be quick at it. Don't look at this and say, do I have to write that down? Not really. It's a very simple division. Goes in one time. What do you get? U squared plus 1. Subtract, what do you get? Minus 1. So let's write this down. Minus 2. 1 minus 1 over u squared plus 1 du. Can I integrate that guy? I can. What do you get? Minus 2u plus 2 arc tangent of u plus some constant of integration. What's u? Let's go back and review. Oh, it's root of x minus 1. Put a little box on it. Look at the key. Okay? I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. Everything is fine. Thank you.